Hi, my name is Vikram Kere. I am an engineer and a marketing professional with more than 18 years of experience and working in the automobile industry. I had the opportunity of using this Mach Drive Nano Energizer engine oil additive in my 2015 model diesel Renault Duster. I was absolutely amazed by the change in engine performance of the diesel Duster. The noise level reduced considerably. There was a decided, noticeable increase in the output power, and most remarkably, the vehicle fuel consumption improved considerably. I usually measure against a full tank, and I normally get 600 to 700 kilometers in one full tank. However, in the month of October, I got 1000 kilometers against one full tank. I was a little surprised, so just to reassure myself, I had one more test done, again a full tank, and I got this time 950 kilometers of daily city driving in this vehicle in one full tank. This was when I thought, let me look at this pack and also try to find out any technical training which is going on in Vestige to find out why this is happening. How come my vehicle has improved so much? Now, the technical aspects disclosed were really commendable. It seems that the additive forms a layer of platinum ceramic coating in the moving parts of the engine, the piston, the cylinder walls, and the combustion area. This reduces the friction and also increases the combustibility of the fuel in the engine. Hence, you have improved power output, you have reduced emissions, noise reduced, vibration reduced, and obviously the net result is you have a better fuel efficiency. Kudos to Vestige for taking out such a revolutionary product that lasts for more than 30,000 kilometers. In terms of rupees, if I say for 80 rupees a liter diesel, my earlier average was 14 kilometers per liter, which comes to around 5 rupees 70 paisa. And with the 20 kilometer per liter, in my new average after putting this additive, it comes to 4 rupees per kilometer. So decided 1.5 rupees per kilometer super is my saving in this vehicle. So when Vestige says it is 30,000 kilometers, so I end up saving 45,000 rupees just by putting this additive in my vehicle and getting a very good average, getting a very good performance. I strongly recommend this to people who drive a lot, city driving or highway driving, as this will reduce your driving fatigue as well as the fuel costs, be it diesel, petrol, CNG, LPG. Any vehicle which uses combustion engine, this is a must.